Hello friends, welcome to Google IT Help. Today in this video, I will show you how you can check TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot is enabled on your Windows PC. This method will work all kind of laptops or PC. Let's begin. First of all, press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type tpm.msc at this place, press enter. And then you will see this window will open. Trusted Platform Module. So TPM basically is a chip PC motherboard which provides a security feature and restrict to install untrusted operating systems, right? And if you see the status and this message is appearing on your system, TPM is ready for use. That means TPM 2.0 is enabled on your system. If you are not able to see this message, that means we have to go into the BIOS and we have to enable TPM. Okay, let's check about the secure boot. Press Windows plus R again and type msinfo32 at this place. Now press enter. And then this kind of system information summary window will appear in front of you. Here you will get all details of your system hardware. Let's see, and the other informations are appearing. Just to come to this place, you will see this is the option secure boot state. Right now, the secure boot is enabled on my system. It may be off on your system. If it is showing off, so we have to go into the BIOS and we have to enable. For Lenovo PCs, you have to restart the system and then press F1. But for the other system, it may be, the key may be different, so you have to find out and just go inside the BIOS. Once you come inside the BIOS, you will find this kind of options. So basically, this BIOS is only for the Lenovo system, and if you are using the different company laptop or PC, so the UI will be different, but you will have this kind of security option in that BIOS as well. Okay, simply click on the security and here you will see the second option, security chip. Just click on it and then you will see this is the security chip TPM 2.0 and here's a toggle button which is already on. Okay, in case if it is off, please just click on it to enable. If you are using different kind of system, so different wordings will be there for this. You will see the different name for this chip and you will get a similar kind of information there. So please enable. Now let's check about the secure boot. Go back to the security option and find the secure boot. Just click and here we have the toggle button. Simply click to enable the toggle button and restart. We have just pressed the F10 and we have saved and exit from the BIOS. Now system boot again and Windows loaded. Let's verify. Again press Windows plus R and type tpm.msc, press enter and then you will see the system information that TPM is enabled now. Now let's verify secure boot is enabled or not. You have to type after pressing the Windows plus R this msinfo32 here at this box, press enter and the summary window will appear and now here you can verify the secure boot state value is on now. So friends, this is the way you can enable TPM 2.0 and secure boot from the BIOS in your laptop or PCs. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to appreciate. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.